Oh my goodness sake, it's hailing. It's literally hailing. Oh my. It's like a sun hail. It's sunny right now and it's hailing. And it's very rare because it's in Australia and it's supposed to be hot in here. It's literally summer. It's literally summer. There's a hail. And there's also a big sun. So it's very sunny right now. There's a thunderstorm, it's raining, and there's also a hail, and it's also summer. How crazy is that? And this is a pretty big one. It looks like it's snowing, by the way, but it's not.